Hi everyone, so I want to show how to fill in this worksheet because I know I showed it on the board, but I want to show it a little bit easier. I'm sorry if I talk quickly. Screencastify has gone back down to a 5-minute limit. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write in each element symbol. So I have calcium as Ca, chromium as Cr, and oxygen as O. I'm going to take the percent and I'm going to imagine that it's out of 100% or converted to 100 grams. So I'm going to have 15.63 grams. 40.63 grams, and 43.75 grams. Now, I always recommend moving vertically and doing the same step at the same time with each element because it makes it harder to mess this process up. Okay, now I'm going to look at I'm going to divide it by the element mass, so that's the mass in the periodic table. So this is 40 grams, 52 grams, and 16 grams. I'm just using the rounded numbers. Okay, so I'm going to divide. So 15.63 divided by 40 is going to equal, we always round to 3 decimal points, just it's a little more accurate for this, and it makes fewer chance of errors. So 0.391. I'm going to do 40.63 divided by 52 is going to give me 0.781, and 43.75 divided by 16 is going to give me 2.734. Okay, I'm going to choose my smallest one, so that happens to be this one. I'm just going to highlight it in yellow so you can see it. So I'm going to divide it by 0.391 for all of them. Okay, so obviously the first one is just going to equal 1. I'm going to do 0.781 divided by 0.391, and I get 1.997. So I'm just going to round that to 2. And I'm going to have 2.734 divided by 0.391. And that's going to be 6.99. So I'm going to round that to 7. I don't need to make an adjustment. That's only if you have 0.5, if you have something smaller than that. Okay. So I'm going to take that empirical formula. I'm just going to assign it. So I'm going to have Ca. I don't have to write a 1. Cr2. O7. Okay, I'm just pulling those numbers from there. So now let's go to the second one. So I have 18.85% sodium, 28.69% chlorine, and 52.46 oxygen. So we have sodium is 18.85, and we're going to convert that to grams. I have chlorine, and that is 28.69 grams. And oxygen, which is 52.46 grams. Okay, so this is 23 grams, 35 grams, and 16 grams. Remember, I'm just getting this from the periodic table. Okay, so 18.85 divided by 23 equals 8.82. Okay, 28.69 divided by 35 equals 0.82 again. And 52.46 divided by 16 is going to give me 3.279. Okay, I can use either of these two as my smallest number. It does not matter which you use. I'm going to highlight it just so you can see it for reference. So I'm going to do this divided by 0.82 for all of them. Okay, so this one's going to equal 1, 1, and 3.279 divided by 0.82 is going to equal 3.998, so we're going to make that 4. We don't have to adjust, so our empirical formula is going to be NaClO, O4. Okay, now it has a molar mass of 366 grams. So how we figure this one out is we add up NaClO4. So NaClO4, if I add it together, so that's 23 plus 35 plus 4 times 16 is going to give me 122. So I take that 122, I switch around. I'm going to take that 366 divided by 122, and I'm going to get 3. Okay, so that means I take my entire thing up above and I divide it by 3. So I'm going to have Na, oops, my thing's not typing, Na3, Cl3, O12. Okay, it's about to cut me off because